Ano po tips sa bow holding? I want to improve the hold of my bow. Okay, una, kailangan ko makita yung bow hold mo. So, I don't know how. Maybe send a picture or rate natin. Rate your bow hold. Pwede ba yun dito sa TikTok? Gawin natin trend. Rate my bow hold. Ayan. So, basically, ako, personally, yung bow hold ko is how your hand falls. Parang ganun. So, pag tinaas mo yung kamay mo, di ba? Pag hindi mo siya kinokontrol, pag bagsak na, yun na yung dapat yung bow hold mo. You shouldn't be putting it in positions na, yung alam mo yun, yung parang awkward. Usually kasi yun yung nangyayari. Kasi pinipilit natin na ilagay yung fingers natin to the certain position na nakikita natin. Maybe nakita natin, yung fingers niya ganito yung itsura, ganyan. Pero, for example, magkakaiba tayo ng hand size. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng pare-parehas tayo ng paglalagyan ng contact points. So, iba-iba yung bawat tao, no? Iba-iba yung bagsak ng daliri. Iba-iba yung haba ng daliri. Like, for example, yung sa akin, iba. Diba? Mataba yung kamay ko, maiksi yung fingers ko. So, my bow hold would be different from someone who has longer fingers. So, maraming factors. But, at the end of the day, kailangan lang yung pinaka-relaxed. Yung hindi mo talaga hinahawakan yung bow. Actually, sabi nga nila, no, very misleading yung term na bow hold or bow grip because you're not holding the bow. You're just guiding the bow when it's in contact with the string. Kasi pag hinawakan natin yung bow, hindi mo fully maibabagsak or maibababa yung hair niya sa string ng violin. So, ang main job ng fingers natin or ng hand natin, bow hand natin, is to guide the bow in the direction it needs to go to and also give adequate pressure. So, walang ganon, walang upward force para kumapit yung bow sa string. Okay? So, try natin. Sige. Rate my bow hold. Pwede ba yan? Gawin natin. Send kayo ng picture or video. Let's try to react on those.